Hi, this is Linda from So Sweet Crafts by Linda. I wanted to show you a journal that I made for my daughter for Christmas. You won't be seeing this until after Christmas because she watches and she'll know what it is. It is 7 by about 9 1/4, 1-inch spine. I use the tutorials from Wishes and Weeds, and I'll put a link below. She did a Christmas, a series of Christmas tags and things from the Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady, and I followed that. This is the cover. It's a cloth cover. I use a lot of lace inside. And this is also cloth. I put a tuck here. This is a large tag with coffee dyed paper. Here's a couple of tags that we made in the tutorial, and it has notes on there and a place to write on the back. Come on, Linda. And here's another postcard that we did with some ruffle and some buttons, and I put that on the back of a card. Here's another page. I also used some printables from Mrs. Cogs, and this is the English Countryside one. Here's another tag that I made. This has the mushrooms. And there's a tuck spot there. This is one of the stamps that we made in the tutorial. And here is a pad of paper that we made, and it has it's a tall tag behind it. I'm not going to take it out. And here's a altered paper clip. It's a little bird. And another tag. Pocket. Some more lace. This is some vellum. Double-sided tag. And this is another item that we made in the tutorial. It's it has a tag there, and then it has a tag in the pocket, and then the other side has a tuck, and that's a floating pocket. A dictionary page. Here's an envelope that we made that says mistletoe, and there's nothing in it. Another little stamp. Here's another altered paper clip. And here is, she used a CD sleeve, but I used these little bags that I had. And there's another little notebook in here. That peeks through that window. Some more old lace. This is all about winter birds, so there's no spring. It's November, December, and January in here. There's a large tag. More vellum. Here's a little pocket that we made, and we fussy cut the ivy. There's some more stamps. Oh, I do have March in here. I just realized that. This is the middle. Here's another postcard with a tag. And there's some mushrooms. I fussy cut the weeds, and there's a little stamp up here. Here's another envelope, and there's nothing in there either. And here's another tag that I made, another pocket, same as the first. Some more stamps. And this one she had sewed into the book, but I didn't do that. This is just a little thing to write on. And there's a fussy cut bird and some berries on the inside. There's a tuck spot and a tall tag. Another tag. And here's a couple more tags. This tag has a tuck spot with even more tags in it. And this is fussy cut. There's a stamp, some more vellum, and here's another a floating pocket. And a tuck spot in the back, bird. There's a fox. A couple more stamps. And here's a stamp here. And here's the owl. And that's it. I hope you liked my book. I hope she likes it too. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. Most of my books are listed on my Etsy shop, but this one is not. That's why I put it on this site. Thanks for watching. Bye.